The principal aim was to overview our sites to see where there was any unnecessary conflict between pedestrians and mobile plant. The UK had initiated this, and hence why the good practice came from the UK side, but this was part of the good practice guide. Was the starting point would be to where possible remove the two hazards or segregate the two hazards by removal. This was the hardest part of the process, was how we engaged and got the views from a wide range of our people within Sibelco Europe. So the methods that we used was our communication tool, which is called My Sibelco, and this allowed us to communicate with the widest possible audience, and from there we selected a small working group. The worker involvement was a key aspect. The workers were selected from a cross-section of functions. They were selected from the management teams, as well as operatives who interact with the site and traffic movement. This was key as it allows the different perspectives to be brought through. The Good Practice Guide has also been translated from the English language, which was produced into 14 other languages, and those are now all available on our works platforms. And it's also been part of a campaign of life-saving rules. It's been used to bolster the support material for one of our life-saving rules, which is keeping out of the working area. It can be printed. It's done in a traditional Word format. It was very much pictorial because of the language barriers that we have across the European business. The pictures help with context, and the wordings were kept to a minimum. It was only after and further along the process that we translated to native languages, so the pictures were vital as a communication tool. The feedback has been positive because it has been established as good practice. It constantly evolves as good practice is further developed, and it also allows a site or site management team to look at their own site and to evaluate against the standards that we've set are good at present, and to put in actions to improve their local behaviours. So we're not dictating from centre, we're encouraging through good practice.